As we approach the culmination of effortless automation, unlock Appium testing skills in 30 minutes, it's time to see your Appium script in action. With your Kobiton API Key integrated and IntelliJ configured, this lesson focuses on executing your script and observing its operation. The execution of your Appium script is a critical step in validating the effectiveness of your automated testing. This is where you get to see the practical application of your work, as your script automates the manual test steps on a real device hosted by Kobiton. With IntelliJ open and your project ready, navigate to the Run option in the toolbar. Select Run, then choose Run once more. As the script begins its execution, keep an eye on the IntelliJ console. It will sequentially outline each action your script performs, mirroring the steps from your manual test. Observe as the script identifies and interacts with page elements, navigating through the test scenario you previously outlined. You should see text printed to the screen like Find Element By and Touch at Point. These commands will become more familiar as you advance your Appium automation journey. This script will take a little over 1 minute to run. While it is running, you should take a moment to be proud of what you have accomplished in this brief training. You have created an Appium script, set up your development environment, and now you are running your Appium script. You have elevated your skills to now being and to automate your testing. Upon test completion, the console will present a report, indicating a successful execution if all steps pass as expected. Congratulations! You've successfully executed your Appium script, automating a series of manual test steps on a real mobile device. This achievement marks your entry into the world of mobile testing automation, showcasing the effectiveness and efficiency of automated testing with Appium and Kobiton. As you continue to develop your skills, remember that the journey of learning and improvement never ends. For those looking to expand their expertise further, we offer optional lessons where you can learn to adapt your Appium script to run on additional platforms like Soars, Labs, BrowserStack, and Lambda Test. These lessons provide guidance on modifying your script to leverage the unique features of these alternative environments. Explore more complex test scenarios, refine your scripts, and leverage the full potential of Kobiton for comprehensive mobile testing solutions. Thank you for joining this course. You've taken significant strides in mastering Appium automation, and we can't wait to see where your new skills will take you. Dive into the optional content to continue your learning journey and broaden your automation skills. Happy testing!